My name is Sukasumi, and this is my mate Achakonyak. We are from Dimapur, Nagaland, Tetso College, and we are pursuing our course on BCA, and we are here for an internship for the past 4 weeks, which was based on IoT, Internet of Things, from the main campus under the guidance of Dr. Sarwan Singh and Sir Prakash. We learned a lot of things based on IoT interfacing with like Arduino LED, blinking LED, and with our blinking LED push buttons, keypads, and various kind of sensors. And now we have made a small project, me and my friend. So let me show a quick review. So we have the RFID card reader, the Wi-Fi router, and the server, and we need a hotspot connection in order to scan the card reader and get the attendance. So let me show the demo by my friend. We have to connect the Wi-Fi. After connecting the Wi-Fi, it will directly connect to my Google account. After connecting the Google account, it will show scan your tag. It's connected already. I'll scan this. That's all. Thank you.